So, hello and welcome. My name is Sajan Amatya, and I'm going to demonstrate my student portal web application that demonstrates key front end and back end web development skills, including form handling and database integration and CRUD operations. So, I welcome you to Vidya Verse, which is my student portal web application. So this homepage doesn't really demonstrate anything, but just simply says what Vidyaverse really is. It is nothing but a student portal for managing the students' data, their profile, and their educational journey. So as you can see, it welcomes the users first, and it has the information of this particular web app. It is static at the moment. These features are dynamic, but it has every features that is asked in the practical test. So the home page first has the navigation bar, which has home, login, and dashboard buttons for the particular navigations. So if we click in the home button, it navigates is it to this particular page only, because this is the home page, and it has login button which navigates us to the login page, and it has dashboard button which shows an alert message like this: please log in first to access the dashboard, because we need an account to get access to the system. Without an account, we cannot really get access to the system directly from the home page, so it shows an alert message. So to simply get access to the system, we must log in first. So you can see access portal and create account. Two buttons are here. So to access the portal, let's click on the access portal button. So it redirects you to the login portal to access the page or the system. So if you are new to the system, it doesn't lets you access to the system with any emails or password that is not entered or just stored in the database. So if you are new to the system, you can just click the register here button down below, which redirects you to the registration portal. So this is our registration portal here, which simply has a form to create your account. So these all fields are mandatory fields which must be filled. Without you filling this, you cannot proceed. Just like if register now, you must fill these all mandatory fields. So let's move by dive into it by just entering our name first. Okay, this is my name. It just glows green, which means that we are good to go now. And there is an email address field which asks you to enter a valid email address. If you enter any invalid email address, it glows red, which means you have not entered an valid email address. So there is error handling in this form. So let's enter an valid email address, that is. So if this is an valid email address, it glows green and we are good to go now. And simply the password field also has some criterias, like it must meet minimum of 8 characters. It must have one uppercase, one lowercase, and a special character. If you use like this, so it doesn't meet the criteria and it shows an error message of include uppercase, lowercase numbers. So let's put the valid password here, like one uppercase. Okay. And for confirming and validating the password, there is a confirm password button. Password do not match. Now the password matches. Here is a phone number section here, and a course that you are going to study. Okay. And the address of yours. Okay. And your gender here. Now everything is filled and we have entered the valid data. We are good to go now. Let's register here. Now as you can see, the registration is successful, and you can just go to the login page, and we are redirected here with the saved credentials, and you can see that let's refresh our database here. and you can see the data you stored just now, entered just now, has safely been stored to the database, and the password is also encrypted here. We have not entered any profile photo, so it has no profile photo till now. It has the columns that table consists, the student table consists: id, full name, email, password, phone number, course address, gender, and a profile photo. And this SQL database is connected by the db.php file here. This has the smooth connections between all the relevant pages to connect with the database and store values. So these are my php files that I just entered here to make this particular web app. So let's move back to our web application here. So it is now successfully stored, and the data is currently stored that you have registered. And if you try to enter any wrong credentials, like suppose I've entered this and tried to log in, you says enter a valid email address, and after entering a valid email address, and if the password is incorrect, it says an incorrect password, it throws an error of an incorrect password. So let me enter the correct password and hit the login button, and you are just redirected to the dashboard page. So the dashboard page welcomes the student or the user to this particular student portal, which simply has nothing but the entered credentials in the registration page. It is static for now, but it simply shows all the data that was entered before. It has a navigation bar with the buttons home, dashboard, edit profile, and a logout button, which navigates to their respective pages. So here we have our profile and a edit profile button down here, which we from which we can perform the CRUD operations. So this is simply our personal informations and contact informations that we entered in the registration page. So for the CRUD operations, let's move on to the edit profile page now. So it redirects you to the edit profile page, where you can perform your best CRUD operations, that is update. So if you want to update your name, you don't usually do it, but if you want to update your name like this, please here make some changes. If you want to change your email to 123 at the gmail.com, and you have your number 636 88292, and a batch, and let the course be the same. And if you want to upload your image here, just like this, I've uploaded an image, and after you make all the changes, just click the save changes button, and you can see that profile has been updated successfully, and the your profile photo has also been uploaded here, and these changes are also been made to your location here. The name is changed, the email is changed, the number is changed, and the profile is also updated now. And you can also see in the database that the you have Sajan Amatya here, but if we refresh the database, see the value stored was changed after we update the credentials just now. So the database also updates, and everything is done. The CRUD operations are performed. The login registration is done. The image handling is done. Form handling is done. The error handling is also done. So I have made a modern CSS design for this particular web app. So this is it. This was all for Vidya Verse, a student web portal that I developed for this practical test. Thank you. And the logout button simply redirects you to the home page here, where everything remains the same. Thank you.